Why export mind maps?
Mention a deadline for screen capture and collaboration. Whether you want feedback, need to present your thoughts, or just want a backup, exporting lets you quickly move your mind map from your favorite app to other formats or platforms.
Popular export formats.
Most mind mapping apps offer several export options. Common formats include image files like PNG or JPEG, PDF documents, and editable text outlines. Some also support formats like SVG for graphics or OPML for transferring data between compatible apps. Choose the format that best fits how you plan to use or share your map.
How to export in major apps.
To export a mind map, open your map in your chosen app. Look for an export or download option, then select your preferred format. Popular tools like XMind, MindMeister, and XMind make this process simple, usually with just a few clicks from the File menu. Always check preview options to ensure your export looks correct.
Sharing your mind map.
Sharing is easy once exported. Attach your exported file to emails, upload it to cloud drives, or share links if your app supports web-based maps. For live collaboration, many apps offer real-time sharing through unique links, letting others view and even edit your mind map as you work on it together.
Tips for smooth collaboration.
For effective teamwork, choose a format everyone can open. If your collaborators use the same mind mapping app, consider sharing a direct link for editing. For broader access, PDF or image exports work well. Communicate version changes and keep backups to avoid confusion when multiple people are editing.